What is an operating system? An operating system OS is the software that manages all the hardware and software resources of a computer. It acts as an intermediary between the user and the computer hardware, providing a user interface UI for interacting with the computer and allocating resources to programs. 2. Operating system function. Here are some of the key functions of an operating system. A. Process management. This involves creating and storing process, scheduling process for execution on the CPU, and handling synchronization and communication between processes. The memory management. The OS keeps track of which parts of memory are being used by which processes and allocates and deallocates memory as needed. C. File management. The OS organizes files and folders on strong devices, keeps track of where files are located, and providing machines for creating, deleting, and modifying files. D. Device management. The US control access to peripheral devices such as printer, scanners, and disk drive. It provides device drivers that allow programs to interact with these devices. E. Security. The US protects the computer system for unauthorized access and malicious software. It also provides machines for user authentication and authorization. F. User interface. The US provides a user interface UI that allows users to interact with the computer. This can be a graphic user interface UI or a command line interface CLI. 3. How operating systems work. Image your computer as a busy restaurant. The operating system OS is the head chef, managing all the cook's programs, waiter, peripheral device, and ingredient data to keep things running smoothly. Here's a breakdown of how the OS works. 1. Booting up. When you turn on your computer, the OS starts the show. It loads itself from strong into memory and utilizes all the hardware components to get them ready for action. 2. Resource search management. The OS is the master jungler, keeping track of everything. It allocated memory to program as they open, ensures the CPU isn't overloaded, and manages strong space for your files. 3. Process control. Multiple programs can run at once, but the CPU can only handle one at a time. The OS acts like a traffic cop, deciding which program gets CPU time and for how long. This ensures everything runs excellently without programs fighting over resources. 4. Device management. When you print a document, the OS acts as a translator. It takes the request from the program, like your order from a waiter, and converts it into instruction the printer understand, like sending the receipt to the kitchen. The device drivers provided by the OS help the foreign devices communicate effectively. 5. Security. The OS is the bouncer of your digital world. It controls access to the system, protected your files from unauthorized users, and keeps malware at bay. 6. User interface. The OS provides a user interface UI, like a fancy restaurant menu. This can uh, this can be a graphical interface GUI with windows, icons, and a mouse, or a command line interface CLI, where you type commands. The UI allows you to interact with the computer and give interaction to the headset OS. 4. Types of operating system. Operating system can be categorized in a few ways, but a common way is by their functionality. Here are some of the major types of operating system. A. Batch operating system. This is one of the earlier types operating systems. It groups similar jobs together and executes them in batches. Users submit their jobs programs on punch cards or magnetic types, and the OS queues them for execution. Batch processing is efficient for bulk operation but not interactive use. B. Multi-programming operating system. This is an extension of the batch operating system that allows multiple programs to be loaded into memory at the same time. The CPU keeps working on one program at a time, but when the program needs to wait for EO, input, output, operation like waiting for a data from a disk, the OS can switch to another program. This improves efficiency by keeping the CPU busy. C. Multitasking operating system. Unlike multi-programming, a multitasking operating system allows multiple programs to running concertedly. This means that the CPU can rapidly switch between programs, giving the illusion that they are all running at the same time. Modern operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux are multitasking operating systems. D. Time sharing operating system. This is a type of multitasking operating system that allows multiple users to share a single computer system. Each user gets a certain amount of CPU time and EO resources. Time-sharing operating systems are commonly used on mainframe computers. E. Real-time operating system RTOS. And RTOS is designed for systems that require strict timing constraints. These systems need to respond to events very quickly, with little or no delay. RTOSes are used in applications such as industrial control systems, medical device, and avionics. F. Distribute operating system. This type of operating system is designed for multiple computers to work together as a single system. The tasks are distributed among the different computers, and the OS manages the communication and coordination between them. Distributed operating systems are used in large-scale computing environments. G. Network operating system and OS. A network operating system and OS is designed to manage resources on a computer network. It provides services such as file sharing, printing, and security. Nodes are used on network servers. H. Mobile operating system. Mobile operating systems are designed for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. They are lightweight and optimized for low power consumption. Power mobile operating systems include Android and iOS. 5. Example of an operating system. Here are some of the most common examples of operating systems you will encounter in everyday use. 1. Desktop or laptop operating systems. Microsoft Windows. This is the most widely used operating system for personal computers globally. It's known for its user-friendly graphical interface, GUI, and wide range of compatible software. B. Apple Mac OS, the operating system for Apple computers, MacBooks, iMacs. macOS is known for its sleek design, user-friendly interface, and tight interaction with other Apple products. C. Linux, a free and open source operating system known for its stability, security, and customizability. Well, it's traditionally been used by power users. 2. Mobile operating system. A. Android, developed by Google. Android is the most popular mobile operating system globally. It's fond of a wide variety of smartphones and tablets from different manufacturers. B. Apple iOS, the operating system for iPhones and iPads. iOS is known for its things interaction with other Apple products, smooth performance, and user-friendly interface.